Hello, welcome to PS Tutor. In this video, we're looking at chemistry, bonding. I have only one question. This is what I introduced recently, my 5 minutes exam revision. So we're going to do this question in less than 5 minutes. Yeah, let's go. Have A and B, and they're saying name element A and B. Now, how do you name an element if you've just been given diagram? Count the number of electrons for A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it has got 10. Now you go on the periodic table and you check which element has got 10 electrons or 10 atomic number. You're going to find that that's calcium, right? Or understand? Calcium or magnesium. So you need to check properly. Is it? So this is 12. This is 8. This is 10. That's 12. So 12, that's magnesium. So A is magnesium. Alright. B. Count how many electrons. 1, 2. Then you have 8 there, 10. Then you have 7 here. That's 17. Go on the periodic table. Check an element with atomic number 17. Go and find that it's chlorine. B. In what group and period is element A? So where can you find in what group can you find A? In what group can you find B? And in what period can you find A? And in what period can you find B? How do you find the group? Group, look at the number of electrons in the last shell. There are 2. So A is found in group 2. Right? Groups you use Roman numerals. Then B count the number of electrons in the last shell. There are 7. So this is group 7. All right. Then period A. How do you know that how do you know the period where an element is found? Count the number of shells. This is 1, 2, 3. This is period 3. Count the number of shells 1, 2, 3. That's also period 3. As simple as that. C. What bond is between A and B? Now A is a metal, B is a non-metal. The bond found between metals and non-metals, we call it ionic bond or electrovalent bond. D says show the compound formed between A and B. Now I'm just going to show the last electrons. So the last shell, sorry. So I'll do this is for A. So A is going to remain with 8, that's a fact. The last shell will remain with 8. Then this one has lost how many electrons? 2 electrons. Now remember, chlorine only needs 1 electron here. It only needs 1 electron for it to have 8 electrons in the outer shell. So what happens? We need to have 2 chlorine atoms. So we need to have 2 chlorine atoms like this. Alright. Another one here. So I'll just show the outer shell as well. So we are going to have this, that, show by negative that it was gaining. Also show the last shell there. Alright, that it has gained an electron, and I'll show by that arrow, and I'll show by this arrow. I'll indicate. So this is just the last shells. Remember, when magnesium loses these 2 electrons, it only makes this outer shell. When chlorine gains an electron from magnesium, that electron will come here. All right, and I'm just drawing the outer shell like I have already done it. 2 says state 2 properties of the type of compound formed. Now what type of compound is this? This is an ionic compound. 1, they have high melting point. Now don't confuse between high melting point and boiling point. Don't say they have high melting point and high boiling point. These two are different points. They have high boiling points. It's also a high point. All right. It's also a property. Don't combine them. They conduct electricity in molten state. All right. They also have high densities and so on. They're also crystalline at room temperature and pressure. So that was my our 5 minutes revision part. So in the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and invite more people. I'll see you in the next video, and peace. Peace.